Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our GCCISD employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your GCCISD employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for GCCISD employee login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this option which is GCCISD portal, and from here you can log into your account. So to log into your account, you just have to enter your username. After entering your username, you just have to enter your account's password and then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then create a new password for your account. And then you enter that new password in this password section, and by doing so you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your GCCISD employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.